IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. What kind of websites do you often visit? Band 5 answer.
I usually visit social media websites and news websites. I like to see what my friends are doing, and I also check the news to know what is happening. Sometimes I watch videos online when I am bored.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, some hesitation, basic linking, lexical resource, everyday vocabulary, limited range. Grammar, mostly simple sentences. Noticeable errors may appear. Pronunciation, generally understandable but may have unclear sounds. Typical of a band 5. Basic communication with limited flexibility. Errors reduce clarity, but message still delivered. 7.5 answer.
I mainly visit educational websites and online news platforms. I enjoy learning new things, especially about language and technology, so I often use websites that offer short courses or tutorials. In addition, I check reliable news sites every morning to stay updated about global events.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth delivery. Well-developed ideas. Natural transitions. Lexical resource. Good variety of vocabulary, though not extremely sophisticated. Grammar. Mostly accurate, with both simple and complex structures. Pronunciation. Clear and natural, with good rhythm. Typical of a band 7.5. Flexible language use with only occasional lapses. Ideas developed well. Band 9 answer.
I regularly visit a mix of educational and analytical websites, particularly those focused on language learning, science, and global affairs. I enjoy platforms that provide in-depth articles and data-driven insights because they help me broaden my perspective and stay intellectually engaged. Additionally, I use a few productivity and research-based websites that support my professional development and personal interests.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, natural flow with sophisticated development of ideas. Lexical resource. Wide range of precise, nuanced vocabulary. Natural collocations. Grammar. Fully controlled. Diverse structures with no noticeable errors. Pronunciation. Native-like clarity and intonation. Effortless delivery. Typical of a band 9. Fully flexible and precise language. Ideas expressed elegantly and coherently. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.